Thank you for your interest in the IBM Informix Database product. In this short presentation, I'll briefly introduce the new installation mechanism used in Informix version 14.10. This is not a full and complete explanation, just enough to get you started with this version of the engine. In the past, each Informix edition was distributed as a separate binary. That binary contained both the engine and connectivity drivers such as the Client Software Development Kit or iConnect. To migrate from one Informix edition to another required reinstalling the binary, potentially overwriting critical files. This completely changes in Informix version 14.10. With Informix version 14.10, there is a single binary for all editions. It is unlocked through the use of a new edition installer. There is a separate edition installer for each Informix edition. In addition, the connectivity drivers are a separate download and install to help minimize the size of the Informix distribution. As a result, when you log into Passport Advantage or your software distribution channel, you should see three separate binary packages to download: the engine distribution, the connectivity drivers, and the new edition installer. The extracted engine and connectivity packages look almost identical to earlier Informix versions. Extracting the edition installer packages produces two files: a README file with instructions on how to use the new installer, as well as the edition unlock jar file. The easiest and simplest way to install Informix version 14.10 is to copy the edition jar file into the Informix engine installation directory, then execute the Informix installer, IDS_install. The net result is identical to earlier Informix versions. The purchased edition is installed and ready for use. However, you can choose to install the engine first, then unlock the edition functionality. To do this, the edition jar file must be in a different directory, then install Informix as usual. In this case, Developer Edition with all of its limits is unlocked and installed. To unlock the functionality of your purchased edition, execute the edition installer using the displayed syntax. This command can only be executed by the Informix user ID. When complete, all functionality for the purchased edition is available for use. There are additional benefits to this new installation mechanism. To learn more, read the Informix documentation or attend a technical training session on Informix version 14.10 held in your area. Thank you again for your interest in the IBM Informix database product. Informix. It just works.